Manuel, that was a tough defeat today, and even more so because it was against a title rival. What was your view of the performance?
Yes, I think that was a tough defeat, as you said. We play very bad. We conceded 2 goals in set pieces, especially the first goal at the second minute of the game. After that, it was very difficult. We had possession. We tried to create a space, but we didn't play well as a team.
Did you know that Robert Huth was going to be a threat at set pieces? What was going wrong in those set pieces?
Well, a set piece is just one distraction, so we try to work in every game, but today we couldn't do it in the way we need to do it.
The gap has opened up to 6 points behind Leicester, 13 games to go. That's starting to look quite serious. Do you consider Leicester to be favourites in this title race now?
Well, I think that we have to play another 12 games more, or 13 games more, so we have a lot of points to continue fighting. I don't think that you can know who will beat the title at this moment. Of course, it's important for Leicester to have this 6 points against our team, but I don't think that this is finished. We are going to continue fighting, and we are continue to improve in what we are doing.
You seem to get caught at the start of both halves. They scored an early goal in both halves. Is that an issue of concentration?
Well, it was, I don't know if you can see it as a disconcentration. I think that was very important for Leicester to be in front in the second minute of the game, because in the way they play, they are very dangerous in counter attack, and being 1 goal up is it's better for them.
You've got a fixture pile up. It was Spurs next. Was Silva injured today? Did he come off injured?
Yes, David has he twisted his ankle, so he cannot continue. We have in this moment just 13 players, but we will see which in the way we are going to do it. But we must continue involving all the competition.
The next 4 games are in 4 different competitions. That's a hell of a test, even for City's squad. And as we see, you've complained about some of the scheduling. Is it going to be a problem for you now?
It's what we have. We know that if you want to be involved in all the competition, you must play in all of them. So our mind now is just to try to recover the players as soon as we can from this defeat, and after that preparing the games against Tottenham, and we'll see after the Tottenham what we must do in the next competition.
Thank you, Manuel.
Bye.